What is up, guys? I'm Jock Holliday, and today we're going to fix OBS. Things that honestly gets overlooked a lot. It's port forwarding and the firewall. Everybody thinks just because you have a monster rig, you have good internet, that, that's the end all fix all. But sometimes it's not. Sometimes there's something internally blocking traffic going out. That's what causes drop frames as well. So we're gonna go over these two things really fast. Fix the issue. Probably get you down to 0% for like whole 12-hour streams. If not, honestly, since I've done it, some days I might drop like 100 packets. At most, majority of my days, I drop 0 packets for full stream. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna jump into the security settings. So what you'll do is you'll right click the Windows Start button. You'll go to settings. Yes, mine's at the top where I like it. I don't know why, but I'm different. I know. Probably somebody's gonna go in the comments section, write me a lengthy comment on how I like to pour milk within cereal, which I don't do. You're a psycho. But anyways, guys, to pull it up, you're gonna go to Windows Security, Firewall Network Protection. This says an allow app through firewall. This is the simple way of doing it. There is a hard way of doing it, which I'll make a video later on how to do it that way. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna come down. You'll see OBS. So this is my gaming PC. I do use OBS NPI. So there's multiple instances of it on here for some reason. I still don't know why. So you'll see that ones that are checked, you'll see that it says public and private's unchecked. Well, public's unchecked. So you'll click this one and go down to the next one and click that one. If you only have one, that's fine. Just make sure both are checked and click OK. Basically, what's happening is it's going into the inbound and outbound rules, and it's going to say, hey, all traffic from OBS, regardless if it's ran as admin or not, let the traffic out. So sometimes what happens is as traffic's leaving outwards, it's getting flagged at the firewall, and that's why you get some frame droppage. So the next thing we're going to do is port forwarding. So here you're going to log into your router. So depending on what router you have, your IP address is either 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. So if you don't know, also if you don't know your username and password, probably admin all lowercase, password 1 all lowercase. If you don't know, a simple Google search will tell you what it is. So for me, I have Netgear. I have a Nighthawk, one of those ones that fly around and up cows and shit. Pardon my language, guys. Sorry about that. So you're gonna go to port forwarding. It'd normally be in your advanced tab and advanced setup. So you do port forwarding. Make sure it's checked. You come here to add custom service. From here, look for your router because you'll normally get a table that's set up. So like I know this one's my streaming. So I'll click this. It'll pre-fill it in for me. The port we're forwarding is 1935. So I'll type port 1935 and then external port 1935. So what this port is the live stream port. That's like it's either like to Netflix or it's like you're streaming from like Netflix. You're streaming Netflix stuff or you're live streaming. So Twitch, Facebook, Trovo, YouTube. This is the port that is used. After you do that, you're just gonna click apply. Mine's gonna say no because I already have it set up. And then bing bada boom, you're done. Right? It is that simple, guys. These are two things that are honestly overlooked. Other than that, I highly recommend you optimize your network. If you don't have your own modem and your router, the cable company, do yourself a favor, send it back, go spend the $200, go buy your own stuff and manage your network. Because with your own stuff, you can QoS, quality of service, you can optimize what piece of equipment in your house is set to have the highest priority. So if you're streaming, your streaming PC needs the majority of your upload over your Xbox. Your Xbox doesn't need that much. If it's not optimized, honestly, they'll play tug of war, and that honestly causes some reason why you drop some frames as well. But guys, it's super simple. It's super easy to do, as you just seen. If you do have a different router than me, I will put a link down below to a website called Port Forward. They have every single make and model and how to do port forward. It's simple, guys. If you have any questions, have comments, drop them down below so we can talk back. I will be doing another video on the complicated way of doing the firewall. But other than that, guys, y'all have a great day.